Do you want to make a crocodile? What colour is blue? Is it my time in? If you put this in your bedroom when you sleep, and what colour bees do we have?
Dreamcatcher! Dot, 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 dot. And then we are going to put some pretty beads. Feathers. One more.
What about this one? Oh, beautiful. Let it go, let it go. Violin and the guitar. Oh, you can play guitar? Show me how you play guitar.
When you grow up, what do you want to be? A policeman? Oh, wow. You want to drive a bus? Wow, bus driver. All right.
What do you want to be? A doctor? In the end, that sounds nice. Now, down, up, and around. I'm gonna practice writing letters here. C.